Hello, my name is Juliana, and I've lived in Dayton, Ohio practically my whole life. Though I've lived in this area and had basic familiarity with it wasn't until I became a Dragonfly student that I was able to foster a deep connection with my area. I started the Dragonfly program in 2023 as a member of the Advanced Inquiry Program in affiliation with the Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Garden, and I'll be earning my Master's of Arts in Biology. The overall mission of my time as a Dragonfly student, which is called a master plan, was by becoming more involved in increasing tree and plant cover in my Dayton community and spreading awareness about the importance of plant biodiversity with each of my projects throughout the program. I aspire to increase the investment and involvement in ensuring high quality green spaces with high plant biodiversity among all the community members I reach within my profession and my roles in this program. Much of my goals revolved around inspiring others with science and the world of plants amongst the guests that I interacted with within my role as an animal keeper at the Boonshock Museum of Discovery, which I'm at right now, and explain why I'm holding this beautiful wood turtle Thoreau. With the insight that I gained from each project that I completed in the program, I transferred this to my professional role as an animal keeper by incorporating the information into the animal ambassador programs that we have each state. I'd emphasize how important Ohio's native plants were when I bring out ambassadors like the eastern box turtle, the wood turtle, the Virginia possum, and the eastern screech owl. By emphasizing this connection, I strive to inspire others with plants and animals as much as I have been inspired by the natural world myself. Being honest, I definitely would have considered myself primarily an animal person coming into the Dragonfly program, but learning about the concept of plant blindness in one of my first classes opened my eyes and showed me just how critical plants are in sustaining all life on Earth. To this end, I spent my time as a Dragonfly student addressing my plant blindness and community plant blindness in general by studying plants and their relationships with critical Ohio wildlife, like pollinators, and species from other parts of the world that equally depend on plants, like the arboreal kinkajou of South America. Walking away from this program, the thing I'm most proud of myself for is volunteering at Mission America Cooperative in Dayton over the summer of 2025. Here, I not only got to complete all of my goals and being directly involved in increasing plant cover in my area, but also got to be a part of the process of growing healthy and affordable foods for members of the Dayton community. I am so grateful that I got to take part in this experience because it's where I truly felt the most connected to the people in my area. On another note, I gained skills in gardening that allowed me to plant my own backyard garden, which I'll be really happy to maintain as the years go on. As a longtime reader of the Animal Keepers Forum, I also hold a great sense of pride that my article about the species-specific behaviors of kinkajous will be published in the November issue of this year. I've been able to achieve so many of the personal goals I've set for myself, and I hold such a deep sense of pride in my work. I owe so much to my peers in the Dragonfly program, along with the facilitators. They provided so much of the encouragement and motivation that allowed me to complete my best work and to put myself out there when before I often struggled to take the first step. Though my time is ending as a Dragonfly student, I want to continue the work that I have started with my master plan. I want to keep engaging the guests of the Boonshop with plants and animals. With any future career ventures, I want to continue inspiring others with wildlife and conservation. To me, this is really only the beginning.